Ace it in 3, 2, 1. Hey there, I'm Lauren with Ace, and today we're going to have some fun. We're going to send it over to 2 grill experts with their kids to teach us some easy recipes to cook on your Weber. Take it away.
Thanks, Lauren. Hey, I'm here with my sous chef, Ella, today. What are we up to?
We're making breakfast muffins on the grill.
All right, let's get cooking. All right, so we're going to sprinkle in a little bit of our all-purpose seasoning, right? And then a little bit of that herb seasoning. Nice job. All right, next we have our sauteed peppers and onions. Okay. Perfect. And then we're going to sprinkle in our cheese. So we've got some mozzarella cheese. And cheddar cheese. All right, and then next we're adding our pre-cooked sausage. Great, and then finally, we'll go ahead and add our milk and our eggs. All right, we're all mixed up now. We're gonna go ahead and get them in the muffin cups.
We've got the Weber preheated to 375 degrees, and now we're going to put these on.
All right, hold on, let me get this for you. Slide them in right in the middle there, and we are cooking indirect, right? So we've only got the outside burners on, and that middle burner is off. Look at that, nice and brown. We have about 5 minutes left.
Dad, are they done?
They are done. We double checked them. They were 155 degrees. So are you ready for breakfast?
Yeah.
Let's get in the house.
Okay, it's off to Chicago to see what Kevin and his girls are doing.
Thanks, Jason. Hi, I'm Kevin Coleman, head Grillmaster with Weber. Today we're in the backyard barbecue school with my daughter, Kinsey Jane. We love ice cream sundaes, but today we're actually doing something for breakfast. What are we doing for breakfast today?
Pancake sundae bars.
Yes. So what do we have to put in our pancakes?
So we can have chocolate chips, we can have peanut butter, and we
Yep.
can have
White chocolate, yeah. So we got white chocolate, peanut butter, chocolate chips. You can add your fruit to it. And so we've taken our favorite store box pancake mix, which we've already combined a little bit of milk and some egg. And so Kinsey Jane's gonna help me add the ingredients to this. And then we're gonna put it back on our smoke fire. We've got our set at 375 degrees. We're using a Q griddle in there right now. So that way when we take everything, we've got our spoon, drop our pancakes on. The griddle's gonna nice and brown though. So instead of having to be inside cooking, we're outside having some fun. Kinsey, you did a fantastic job on these pancakes. Look, we've got one that's perfect for your size. Is that what you're gonna pick?
No, I'm picking the taco.
The taco one. All right, well, she's gonna get her syrup on it, have a taste. Again, we cooked 375 on our smoke fire, Q griddle, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Spray some cooking spray down to make sure they release. Well, Kinsey, you got that loaded up. How does it taste? Good?
So good.
Hi, I'm Kevin Coleman, Weber's head grill master. I'm here with my daughter in the backyard barbecue school, Maddie. We're doing some type of breakfast sandwich today on the grill. What are we cooking?
Hawaiian bread French toast.
Hawaiian bread French toast, it's one of our favorites. So we've got our eggs, we've got our whole milk, cinnamon, vanilla, a little bit of sugar inside of here. Maddie's gonna stir all that up, and then we've got our Hawaiian bread. Now, Maddie, why do we use Hawaiian bread?
We use Hawaiian bread because it's not falling through the grates and it helps a lot of the yumminess.
Yep. When you're doing French toast on the grill, having a dense piece of bread helps so it doesn't fall or doesn't get really stuck to the grate. So we love using Hawaiian bread. And also because we've got our pre-made sausage patties, these will go perfect inside these sandwiches, which is great for the girls, great for us to eat throughout the day, even have breakfast for dinner. And so Maddie, can you help me start stirring this up? And then we're gonna get our stuff, our Hawaiian bread dunked, and then we're gonna get it on the grill. All right, Maddie, you've done a fantastic job getting all of our Hawaiian bread ready for the grill. This is your favorite sandwich, which I can't wait to cook for you. What's the perfect temperature to cook these at?
375.
375. All right, Maddie, these are off the grill. They look fantastic, smell great. 2 things we can top these with to really bring out some more flavor. What do we got?
We got our powdered sugar
Yep.
and our syrup.
And we've got our syrup. So this is what you can add to it at the end to really drive home more flavor. Maddie, thank you so much for helping. I think the only thing we have left to do is take a bite, right?
Yeah.
Thanks, Jason, Kevin, and girls. So much fun. Be sure to check us out on acehardware.com for more helpful tips and advice from Ace, the helpful place.